Every evening, young Okoye would snuggle under his warm blanket, gazing at the twinkling stars in the sky. He loved the peaceful silence of the night, listening to the gentle rustle of leaves and the soft hoot of an owl. One night, as he was drifting off to sleep, he heard a soft whisper. "Okoye, come outside. I have a surprise for you." It was the voice of his favorite tree, the old oak, speaking to him. Curiosity piqued, Okoye wrapped himself in his blanket and stepped out of his cozy home. The old oak, with its strong, gnarled branches, was glowing softly, like a beacon in the dark. "Welcome, Okoye," the old oak said warmly. "Tonight, I want to share a secret with you." Okoye listened intently as the old oak told him about the magical world hidden within its roots. A world full of colorful creatures, friendly animals, and glittering streams. "You can visit this world anytime you want, Okoye," the old oak said with a smile. "Just close your eyes and imagine." Excited, Okoye closed his eyes and focused on the old oak's words. Suddenly, he felt a warm, tingling sensation envelop him. When he opened his eyes, he was standing in the most beautiful world he had ever seen. He spent hours exploring the magical world, playing with the colorful creatures and making new friends. As the sun began to rise, Okoye knew it was time to return home. He thanked the old oak for the amazing adventure and promised to visit again soon. As he snuggled back under his blanket, he drifted off to sleep with a smile on his face, dreaming of his next adventure with his friendly old oak. Every night, Okoye would look forward to his cozy adventure with the old oak, knowing that within its embrace, he could find a world full of magic and friendship. And as he fell asleep, he would remember the old oak's words, "Just close your eyes and imagine." The end.